me. I let her know it. Who was the upon? Yeah, what do we know? Hey, hot. How don't you, mum? Banana. I drum and young too. I'm on what tamper. I didn't do because took me on phone. Took me on phone. No, hey, welcome. I am able to play. I will go there. Hey, you good boy. Hey, yeah. Hello, Tim. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You Port Harcourt here,
yes.
You environment?
Yes.
Good. Because you get one shop where they find. Where they sell cosmetics. One shop where they sell anything original. Now they sell them. They sell. And they come from River State. So and they go on buy. Go about you too far. So when I hear say these people they sell in quantum, that same price I go buy them, I go see buy here. So what is the name?
You know the name?
The name Zenov. Hey, ndo when you were on them call. Oh, family here na family.
Wait. Oh yeah.
Zenov Global Limited.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Where an office today?
Okay, they come. Number 58 in Suka Street. They come. You don't
take it easy.
Okay, don't worry. You're here. You're the right place.
Even if I original, take me easy.
Okay.
Don't you call me. In the night for much. Let me move gradually.
If you enter another shop,
I know where they go. They don't go tell me what I go enter black or what shop.
Anything you want, they inside. Everything you want is here.
Already. Good. Hey,
Wow.
Welcome to Zenov Global. Hey, you mean I seen a church I enter?
You have seen it.
See as they take singer. Welcome to Zenov Global Limited. Hey, you hear that be a mama. Better thing. I am so pleased. Hey. Good. If you enter shop where they sell original, you perceive the order of the originality. Man, if you have shop ever near cut and join, I never rent into their sign. You know, no sugar. I never man, they don't kill people. But this place shows that they are dealing on original, and the original I have come to meet.
You have seen it.
Hey, listen, don't do.
Okay, don't worry.
Somebody should take me around.
Just take him around. Yes.
I make him when he's
Okay. Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir.
Let me take you around.
Hey.
Welcome to our US and foreign product section. In here, we have anything that has to do with quality cosmetics, both foreign and at affordable prices. Our products are in top quality. Whatever you want, you can get in here. Let me show you now. This is Blue Seal Vaseline.
Hold on. This section now is for anything foreign.
Yes.
Foreign product. Original. No be akora.
No.
Oh, seeing is believing. I am well convinced that this place is the right place to shop. Original. Wholesale. Una they sell wholesale.
Wholesale.
Both retail.
Yes.
Everything. Both Igbo.
Everything.
Took me to another section.
Let me take it to our person.
Took me to another section.
Welcome to Zenov Global Limited.
Welcome to Zenov Global Limited.
Welcome to Zenov Global Limited.